Hey yo guys, how you doing? This is me, Bryson, and this is Maverick. We're gonna show you how to make water tornadoes. We saw the new Twister movie yesterday and it gave us ideas. So first, you're gonna need 2 bottles, then a glass of water, then some duct tape, and you're gonna need a washer. If you don't know where a washer is, look in your dad's toolbox. Then you're gonna need some food coloring, and last but not least, glitter. Alright, so first, you're gonna you're gonna pour food coloring in. And you're gonna need to mix it. This is how you mix it. If you still see the lines, keep mixing. Now add some glitter. Okay, now you're gonna grab your bottle and pour it in here. Try not to spill it like I just did. Mom, I did Okay. Then you're gonna need one of these. Put it on top of here. Line it up carefully. And put it bottom in the washer. Then you're gonna need some tape. This is what it should look like when you're done. So, tell you, flip it. And then you let it go. Now we're gonna do Maverick's water tornado. This was water tornadoes. Thank you for watching our video, and go watch that new Twister movie in theaters. Baby Boy's out. Yeah, it's weird.